And this is another My Jeep update, and we're looking for smoke again, and we got it. And again, back here by the charcoal canister, I believe the correct name is the vapor fuel flow harness. And I believe the valve is leaking, but there may be additional leaks.
Morning, it's My Jeep. It's Tuesday. I think it's the 1st, I believe. I'm not sure. August. Anyway, as you can see, I got my Autoline Pro hooked up again. I'm going to do another smoke test, and it should be a little more accurate this time. And the reason being, I did not have one of the vent lines clamped off. Okay, one of the things I didn't do is this breather line or vent line, whatever it's called. It's part of this Evap system here. It's got to be clamped off, and I didn't have it clamped off last time, and that's why I probably saw so much smoke. But I do have an Evap leak, and I've got some other problems. I noticed when I take my gas cap off, this thing almost wants to die. Now, it's been running rough at idle. After it runs for a while, it runs better. But I definitely got a problem, and what I found is that if you have a large Evap leak, that it can cause rough idle and other problems. So that's what we're going to be working on today, and I'll update a little bit later. Oh, and before I go, I did find a problem, and I've had this problem before. There's a big elbow off this pump right here. You can't see it right now. I'll try to. There it is right there. This is an elbow, and it goes on that last connector on the canister on the left-hand side, and it was just about off, so it may have been leaking there too. So we'll check it out, and I'll get back with you on an update. My Jeep out. Okay, I'm getting ready to fire the Autoline Pro up, and here's that switch that I've been talking about. Okay, it's on heat only, so in a couple of minutes or so we should have smoke, and it should be coming from here when it does go. Okay, as you can see, I got smoke. It's pretty smoky around here. It's running. You hear the compressor. I had a lot of smoke coming out, so let me go back here and see what I got. Smell smoke. Yeah, I got smoke coming out of something here. As you can see, it's coming from back there behind that pump. So I'm gonna shut down for now. I'll get back with you on an update, find out what I come across. Out. I'm not sure if that's getting any of that, but what I could see, it looks like it's coming from that pump itself, right up in here, somewhere in there. I don't know if my finger, somewhere up in here. I'm not sure, guys, but I think that pump or whatever it is leaking itself. I may have to replace all of this, and they're hard to find. It's discontinued Mopar product. I did find one at a Mopar dealership, and it's about, they want more than $300 for it. Anyway, I may end up having to replace the whole damn thing. It looks like what's leaking
to me.
I'm gonna check it out more. Out.
And I'm still working on suspension issues. A lot of rework.